cash. Mit Tanzania noch Pizza, dann wieder noch Pizza. Was ich jetzt mache, da bin ich dran, mach doch Pizza. Da kommt mir nicht so durch, nicht mit your voice. No tyranny, my skills, I need my angel voice. No problem, no kids, I wanna set the stage up. But I was sitting on the road, yeah, my shit's up.
You know, go to album called Shit Mania, because the shitness is just too much. You know, the next album is called Shit Mania. Because everybody fucking on that fucking shit, you know, like shit, like huge grind. Yeah, so everybody's fucking shit mania. That's what I'm talking about, man.
Shit monster.
Shit monster.
Check out the Evil Genius. Remember Christmas boy. Not Christmas boy. Watching basketball, right?
Nyanji. When we say Nyanji, I mean say professionist.
Talking about
basketball. When we say Nyanji, I mean say professionist. This is a professionist.
I'm talking about Nyanji, no shooters, no nagi.
Alright, remember saying, wash them away. Now stop using a vibration. And then DJ start up machine around the thing there. Mochi production. Let's get under. Yes, man, a Batman, a Batman. Yes, you're done now. Shibana, Isabel, Tata Shayana, everything is in this Tata Karagana, my baby, I'm coming,